Hello everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis, and today I guess is going to be Harry Potter day in a way, because I'm going to be doing a lot of unboxing of a couple different Harry Potter things and going to try to get caught up on one of them that I started that I didn't get back to. So as you can see, I'm in theme, so let's get started. So this box right here is something that I actually ordered, and I already did an unboxing video for one of them, so this is another one that I picked up. And most of you can probably guess, it is another Funko Pop. So Wizarding World actually let me know that they were doing another pre-release of one, and of course I had to order it. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of this. And just like last time, they have this really cool tissue paper that they put on the box. It's got all the different wands on it. Went through it last video that I did for this, and I won't do it this time. So let's see which one this is. I know which one it is, but you guys don't. Take this tissue paper off and throw that aside. It's another Patronus, and this time it is Hermione's Otter Patronus. So that's all the stuff back there. I actually need to try out this little code on the back because it had it on the other box to see what actually happens. So I actually have to go into the app and I'll let you guys know next time, because I'm pretty sure they'll probably do Ron's next. Since they've done Harry, now Hermione, I'm pretty sure Ron's Patronus is going to be next. But there it is. The little otter guy. I think he's pretty awesome looking. And just like Harry's doe, it's kind of got that blue, kind of opaque look to it, which is pretty freaking awesome. And it's a pre-release, so that means it's not really anywhere else right now except through Wizarding World of Harry Potter, or Wizarding World, I guess I should say. So that's pretty cool right there. And they actually gave some really good detail. I think these would look really cool, like if you put some sort of a light or something up under them. But that's this one. This is 106. I think the other one was number 104. And I actually need to go into detail or go through all my different Harry Potter collection stuff that I have as far as Funko Pop. I actually kind of went cold turkey and I stopped collecting, so I know there's probably some that I don't have, but there's a couple that were special releases, like with say Comic-Con or Barnes & Noble exclusive stuff like that. So that's this. Also, I got these things here, and they were actually a pretty good buy. So, because I'll start on the back of the box. So this is actually a doll, and these were at Walmart. I actually got them probably about 2 weeks ago now. I wasn't able to get Hermione, but I was able to get Ron. So here's Ron right here. And it's posable and everything. It's got a robe, he's got his wand, and these were originally $20. I actually was able to get them for $4, so couldn't pass it up. That's why I ended up picking it up. So that's him. Actually, we'll do it on the other box. So here's Harry, and they actually have Hermione. I've got Ron, and this is Harry, of course. They have Ginny, they have Albus Dumbledore, and they have Minerva McGonagall. But wasn't able to find them, but this is Harry. So I've only got those two. They were $4. So I figured since I collect Harry Potter stuff and I'm a big fan, they were something good to have. So that's really it for this video. There'll be a couple more of these that I'm going to record, and I'll probably kind of get them all uploaded at once so you guys can kind of get caught up and I can actually get the content out there. So any questions? Tell me what you think of this guy. Comment below, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave the channel. Thanks everybody. Universe Jarvis out.